Have you ever wondered about the benefits of a Roth conversion ladder? This financial strategy has been the talk of the town lately, and today, we're going to dive into it. Imagine a ladder. Each rung represents a year, and with each step you climb, you're moving money from tax-deferred retirement accounts to a Roth IRA. This gradual climb, aptly named the Roth Conversion Ladder, can potentially save you a significant amount in taxes when retirement time rolls around. The Roth Conversion Ladder is essentially a form of tax diversification. It can be particularly beneficial for those expecting to be in a higher tax bracket in the future. However, timing and careful consideration of tax brackets are critical elements for achieving maximum tax efficiency. In light of recent financial independence movements like FIRE, which stands for Financial Independence, Retire Early, tax-efficient strategies like the Roth Conversion Ladder have gained prominence. These movements, popular among younger individuals, stress the importance of aggressive saving and investing. The Roth Conversion Ladder can be a powerful tool in these financial strategies, helping individuals minimize taxes on their investments. However, the road to financial independence isn't always straightforward. It's essential to understand how changes in legislation might affect your financial strategies. For example, House Democrats have recently proposed a spending plan and tax increases to fund it, and this could impact your retirement accounts and tax strategies. The proposed changes include increases in individual and corporate income tax rates, restrictions on trusts and retirement accounts, and a reduction in the estate tax exemption. The effective dates of these proposed changes vary, some becoming effective in 2022 and others upon enactment. These changes could have implications for your Roth Conversion Ladder strategy, and it might be advantageous to seek advice from a financial professional. So, to recap, a Roth Conversion Ladder is a financial strategy that involves gradually moving money from tax-deferred retirement accounts to a Roth IRA, potentially saving on taxes in retirement. It's a form of tax diversification and can be particularly beneficial for those expecting to be in a higher tax bracket in the future. But remember, timing and careful consideration of tax brackets are crucial for tax efficiency. In the context of financial independence movements like FIRE, the Roth Conversion Ladder can be a valuable tool. However, it's important to stay informed about changes in tax legislation that could impact your financial strategies. Remember, climbing the Roth Conversion Ladder might seem daunting, but with careful planning and professional advice, you can navigate your way to a financially secure retirement. To learn how to maximize your results with the Roth IRA Ladder and other Roth strategies, we highly recommend the book, Roth IRA Secrets. The link to this remarkable, insightful book is in the description of this video. If you found this video valuable, we hope you will consider subscribing to this channel and smashing the like button. Much success with your IRA investing.